Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to root BlueStacks 5. First, open your browser and search for BlueStacks old version download on Google. Now open the up to down link and find version 5.22.125. Download that version, make sure it's the correct one and install it on your PC. After the installation is finished, BlueStacks will launch automatically. Now close it completely and also remove it from the hidden icon in the system tray to make sure it's not running in the background. Next, go to Programs Data on your computer and open the BlueStacks NXT folder. Find the BlueStacks configuration file, right-click it and open it with Notepad. Now open Find, type root and find the root settings. Then change the value to routing and root access to 1. Then save the file. Now open the engine folder, open your Android version folder and find the android.bstk file. Then open it with Notepad and change read only to normal. After that, save that file. Also do the same for your Android version.bstk file inside your Android version folder. Then save everything. After that, open your browser again and search for Kitsune Mask APK. Go to the official GitHub page, scroll down and download the latest release. Once it's downloaded, open it with BlueStacks. The app will launch inside BlueStacks. After that, tap Install, then tap Next and choose Direct Install. If you don't see the Direct Install option, completely restart BlueStacks and open Kitsune Mask again. Once the installation is complete, close BlueStacks again and go back to the Program Data folder. Open the BlueStacks NXT folder, open the same configuration file with Notepad, find root again and change the values to 0. After that, save the file and reopen BlueStacks. Now when you open Kitsune Mask, you will see it's installed. I also downloaded root checker to confirm. When you tap verify root, you should see that your BlueStacks is successfully rooted. Make sure you don't skip any steps and follow everything carefully. If you have any problems, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.